Right, how lads? Let's go and watch a video of us watching us. No fighting, kids. Dave! Oh, yeah, he is. Gaff a chair. Add on. Hey. I got me race seat. What are we doing? We're going to watch a video of us watching us. Us watching.
What's this? Is this thing on?
Go. Yeah. Sure, man. Aaron's press play.
And with that, the 2022 season comes to an end.
You meant to say action. Good morning. Nah, that's
Get up on here.
Hi.
Who's that blue car?
He's got us on.
Did you just say P45? He said P45.
He said.
Makes more sense,
He
doesn't it?
said. Mike. I know, but I feel awkward.
Like what?
That could be the thing, like.
Look at the camera and smile.
Yeah, proud daddy.
Oh look, it's Henry Wagon.
Stop watching me, webcam.
Oh yeah, that's a shock. Go on, come back look that way again. What's this? Toffee. Yeah, come here, boy. What's this?
Camera speed.
Sound production, take one.
You ready?
Yep.
I remember this.
They were really tight on the other wheels, like.
You're not getting hold of him.
It's a shake of the hand as well.
I was trying not to damage the wheel.
Yeah, boy.
Start of the video. You'll have to edit that bit. Start of the video, but now we are ready to reveal it. Really, I'm moving and you're not, man. Right.
What's this? What's this? What have I got? Jesus Christ, I'm peed myself. Well, that's in the blooper reel. How does Leicester reach the roof? With the trestle. What a big man! Hey, what up, guys? It's your boy Toffee Dog 15 from DDB. There he is. He chats all the time. Don't you, Lister?
Aaron, the camera's facing the wrong way, mate.
Nah, we just want to look at the ball.
Look at awkward man moving away.
Yeah, we are. Hottest day of the year.
Oh, there we
He's got
go.
his toes out.
Bentley's browsing it.
Oh, is this the tiniest desk?
Aye.
Leave it messy.
He has to, because I've got to shoot something.
Who left it messy?
Lister?
Everybody but me.
Shut up. Classic blame. I'm putting it in, like. Oh, bless him. It's his little legs.
Aaron's on a roasting session
Yeah.
now, isn't he?
He's on a stool. Go on then.
I literally can't find the thing.
Fucking hell, you can fit all that rap, you can't even put a fucking picture on the wall.
That there is the money shot.
A dip in the pink. It was red. I just realised how bad that sounded.
What did he say?
Sounds like Mark hasn't polished that, is he?
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know.
They're gonna know.
No, it's fire emoji now, mate.
No, it's chili for spicy content.
Can we get a Yanni shot? Yeah.
He's only polishing the bonnet.
I still don't understand why you do that.
Someone to talk to.
Well, you can tell me, it's fine. We're recording now, so I'll just edit bits out. But Henry, what are you doing?
Yo, mate.
Check out my.
Check out my crib.
Check out my mate. It's f***ing busty as hell.
Oh, mate, I was back.
Hoover.
Mate, you're just going to have you.
Bring that Hoover.
But you've got all this audio.
This is when you all dived in the office and slammed the door. Right.
Oh, mate, it's kicking off.
Whoa! It's just started on us.
It's just started on.
Right, next step. Peel the out. Ah, can I say peel the You can't say out. Oh, I swore again, man. You should have heard me upstairs, man. Got the full wasp carry on camera.
But like the electricians and the detailing world.
True story, bro. Do I have to talk? Wait there. I'm not ready.
It's not the time for meditation. It's the time for application.
Oh,
What a knobhead.
Oh, I've just waited in your mouth.
yeah.
That's going in the bloopers. My friend.
Right.
I'll just dub it out.
Swearing's my personality. I don't even care if you double it with beeps. I hate having to talk serious.
Don't do serious.
Even though I'm not
very often.
serious.
He's dropped his gyro.
Hope you mute that, mate. Some people get offended by that. I didn't drop my gyro. Drop me tack.
It's your laughing to come back.
It sounds better than using tack, doesn't it? I mean, I'm not a tack user, but better than using tack, innit?
I just use it, just grows it.
I'm using IPA, but if you're an alcoholic,
Don't do drugs.
it's not going to do any damage to the film. Do you want us to do that bit again?
Yeah, because you held it down here.
Oh, okay. Well, you've got the camera in your hand.
Put it in
So-
front of camera.
I'm like Chandler from Friends. Funny and informative. No else, no radar over there. He's got no hair either. That's why I've got my hat on. Mate. Oh, sorry, I've got no mate. Colleague. About that time where I go, Aaron! Come here! Can I have a brew? Remember earlier in the video when I said Mark's like the look at him, over there. When I said he's like the electrician of the detailing world, leaving his everywhere. Come here. This has been here for like 2 days. I've got a polisher, and I've got a bottle of polish. Never tidies his
What you got to say for yourself?
Absolutely nothing. I'm sorry for letting you down, Henry.
And here we have a rare case of a detailer tidying up his
Dan wasn't even thought about it at that stage.
Dan wasn't thought about, sorry Dan. Dan doesn't even know what Metroland is. What else doesn't Dan know about?
Sabrina the Teenage Witch.
Sabrina the Teenage Witch. Never used. Is Cartoon Network still a thing?
Yeah.
Is it still a thing?
You probably watched that because that was good.
You probably watched that, yeah. You only know Thunderbirds, the animated version, not the puppet version.
5, 4, 3,
No lying, you.
1. Thunderbirds are go.
ASMTV Live with Wonky Donkey.
Still gets pocket money off his mum and dad. Sorry, Dan. And he won't even get a night tick cutting his hair. Didn't even know it was a thing. I remember when I was a youth, night tick in the back of my hair and that. That's what the cool kids did. Sorry, Dan. I'm only giving you because you're not here this week, you've got a holiday in. Apprentice taking holidays, what's that about? Sorry, Dan. Again. Don't care.
Would you like some aloe vera? You just got burned.
Just in case you're wondering what's going on. Alright, I'm just going to turn you around. Alright, Mark's carrying a box in and out. We're using Claire's car as a van today because we're emptying a storage unit that we don't need anymore. Where's Mark? Say hi to the camera, Mark. And when we're talking about the Ben's Christmas present, I think I'm upside down. Look at that, man. Bosch D is out, mate. Don't drop that, Claire. What? Don't drop it. Aaron, where does this go? Look, he made some marks on the floor.
You're roughly back in position.
Oh, back in place, mate?
Kind of.
Bosch D is out, mate. Right. Bye. Oh, did you hear that? Yeah, all them bubbles in it. Get up.
Stop it. Get some help.
I've broken another bottle. Shit. Pants. Right, doors are done. Right, doors are done. So, as you can see, oh my god, this thing.
I was bad. I was bad with the wheel.
Right, doors are done. As we'll clarify. That's what was me off. I've got one last debate on this one though.
What's that?
Who's driving it around Aston Martin? Well, if that's a decision, then I'll just take it because I don't know the work on it.
We could ask Aaron, but he hasn't got a driving licence.
That's a shame, isn't it?
I know. Never mind. But I think I'll let you take that one.
Nearly went off the end there. It's good, I'm going to keep that though. Yay! Well done, Aaron. Well done.
Absolutely brilliant.
There's just hours and hours and hours of footage from this whole year.
I'd forgot about half of them events.
I'm gutted we haven't got a Henry falling over though.
Well, that was last year.
That's what I mean, I'm sad that it hasn't happened this year.
Well, it has. It has. We've just never caught it on camera.
No, there was that one, but he got really angry, so I didn't go get it.
We didn't go
Health
get
and
it.
safety kicking as well, mate. Why start recording them?
I absolutely wearing flip-flops.
Like, as in the accident book, not physically recording them on the camera.
Have we not got any more from throughout the year?
There's probably a lot more, but what I
Feature
No, just,
length
there was
film.
just a lot from the Aston Martin video.
we over recorded that purposefully for.
Very good though.
Very good.
Well, we're going to get more footage like this from next year, I think, because I think we're not lazy with it, but
We've now found how fun it is.
Yeah, we're starting to find the fun aspect of it, and when we're getting stuff like that coming out of recording, I think it's well worth the time and effort. I think.
The easier it gets, so it become more relaxed phase, and then this will end up just being like that.
It's like from the start of the video.
And then if we sat here next year with a 3-part special, like a 3-hour special.
I may well have a Discovery Channel deal by him, man.
Ah, yeah. Yeah, but then me and you will have to fall out. You'll have to to the other end of the estate and open your own gaff, right? And then what will happen, we'll get it back together again, we'll open an even bigger one and we'll all be friends
What,
again.
is that like next door to,
that's
is
like
that next door to Luso?
In season 2.
You're moving into Newcastle.
Season 2.
You're moving into Newcastle car keys.
Wow,
No, that was good, well done, Aaron.
That was really good, mate.
Well done.
How do we close this video?
Bye.
Is that it?
Oh, we're still recording, huh?
Yeah?
Mark.
I get back about fuck off.
Mark, you can close it with your favourite line.
What's his favourite line?
Bye, Felicia.
Right home.
Yeah. See ya.